Okay, so the word fo'i is the common word that is the Samoan equivalent to also, to, as well as, and words like that. This word is used after action words or verbs like o te fia moi, I want to sleep. O te fia moi fo'i, I want to sleep too. The action is moi or sleep. Moi fo'i is sleep too. It's used after description words like adverbs and adjectives. E mangaya le ne aso, this is a nice day. E mangaya fo'i le aso ananafi. Nice also was yesterday, or yesterday was nice too, and it could be used after nouns and pronouns. O te fia fia ice cream, I like ice cream. O a'u fo'i, me too. Alright, so on our first day of class, which happens to be today, we do pronunciation, and these glottal stops are very important. They're considered like letters and can change the entire meaning of a word, so be sure to pronounce fo'i. The glottal stops can start or stop a pronunciation abruptly. You might also hear like toi fo'i, to return. You could either toi fo'i mai, like return over here, or you can toi fo'i atu, like you return over there. Those are some common uses for the word fo'i.